Taiwan is a vibrant state in East Asia and officially referred to as the Republic of China. The capital of Taiwan is Taipei and the largest city of Taiwan is New Taipei. They have an income-advanced economy that employs educated and skilled personnel. Despite being densely populated, Taiwan is modern and ranks superior in terms of well-being, human development, education, political and public freedoms. Its GDP rank is 34th and 19th in nominal and PPP respectively as per the International Monetary Fund Standards, 2018. It has the 10th freest economy in 2019 index. Their overall score has gone up by 0.5 because of the monetary and labor freedom. It stands 5th in the Asia-Pacific region of 43 countries. Taiwan's has the moderately well-developed commercial code and open market policies that enable the course of capital and goods. It also has both small and medium enterprises which are the strength of the economic growth of the country. If Taiwan wants to lower its dependency on China, it has to enhance commercial relationships with other Asian countries. For this, Taiwan will need to burgeon openness and competitiveness. Taiwan also needs to increase the work wages that are not enough to meet the cost of living. Industries. Taiwan's industry comprises of small and medium enterprises. There are very few enterprises that are listed as large. They have capital and technology-concentrated industries that deal in information technology and electronics. Agriculture had once saved Taiwan and the government had left no space in helping it develop and expand. Although its contribution to the nation's GDP has gone down currently, but farming has mechanized and helped increase productivity. Just about 1/4 of Taiwan's area is fertile for farming, but 3 crops harvested in a year make farming a success. Tropical fruits, sugarcane, rice, and vegetables are Taiwan's lead produces. Taiwan also exports sea products and fish. Some of the other important exports of Taiwan include ships, textiles, chemicals, petrochemicals, metals, flat panels, machinery, etc. Rule of law. The property rights in Taiwan have always been in place, and to strengthen the process, the policies were further streamlined in 2018. The judicial system works independently and the court cases and the judgments taken are free of any political influences. Although Taiwan did suffer from corruption earlier, but there is an apparent dip in the corruption percentage. Large businesses and politics in Taiwan work closely, which is why malfeasance in government officials is often heard of. Taiwan present. January 2019 saw exports of Taiwan drop down by 0.3%, which is much less than the expected 2.9%. This decrease was because of the reduction in sales to China, which went down by -7.5%. However, this was balanced by the increase in exports to the United States, Japan and Europe that went up by 21.2%, 13.6% and 11.4% respectively.